Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Wattpad account on your phone. Now this cannot be done on the application, this has to be done on the web browser, just because you can access the desktop version on the web browser. So first go ahead and open your browser, and go over to TubeBuddy.com, and just log into your account. Once you've done that, you just come to where I'm at right now. And all we're going to do is go to the top right of the screen, where your profile picture is. Click on that, and then just click on My Profile. Once you click on My Profile, you just keep scrolling down, and then just click on View Full Site. And then once that loads up, we can go back to the top right. So just where the profile picture is, it's like a little drop-down menu. We will just click on that, and then we will click on Settings. And when Settings comes up, you will see this screen right here, where it says Account and Notifications, Music Accounts and stuff like that. So we can just continue to scroll down it to the very bottom, and you'll see the options you've closed account. So let's click on Closed Account. And then here we'll just ask you why that you're leaving, so you just put Other, or if you have a specific reason you could let them know. Then click Yes I'm sure, please close my account. And they're just going to ask you to put your password. So you can go ahead and do that. And then as you see, once you put in your password, and it will then log you out. And your account has now been deleted.